Union Minister Anurag Thakur has slammed the Sukhwinder Singh Sukkhu-led government in Himachal Pradesh, stating that they cannot finish the previous work, yet they want to start new projects. Let's listen in.
ये कैसी सरकार है? काम पूरे करने तो दूर, नहीं देने तो दूर, पूरे करने का भी इसका हाथ पैर खड़े हो जाते हैं। अनेकों काम ऐसे ही लटके पड़े। एम्स अस्पताल 2014 में मंजूर हुआ। उस समय राज्य में कांग्रेस की सरकार थी। हमने कहा जमीन दे दो भाई। वीरभद्र जी ने 3 साल 4 महीने लगाने के बाद तब जाके 2017 के अंत में आधी जमीन दी, जब उनकी सरकार जाने वाली थी। उसके बाद भी हमें 1.5 साल अपनी सरकार में और लगा उस एम्स को बनाने के लिए, उसकी जमीन को पूरा करने के लिए। 2019 में हमने शुरू किया, कोविड आ गया, उसके बावजूद मात्र 3 सालों में एम्स को पूरा कर लिया है। अब पीजीआई का अस्पताल हम ऊना में 500 करोड़ रुपए का बना के दे रहे हैं, उसका भी इस साल या अगले साल के शुरू में काम पूरा हो जाएगा।
All right, there, of course, Union Minister Anurag Thakur hitting out at the Congress-led state government in Himachal Pradesh. Remember, viewers, Himachal Pradesh is slated to go for polls in the penultimate phase, that is the 7th phase, on the 1st of June. Meanwhile, the battle between the BJP and the Congress is heating up. Several high-profile candidates, including the Union Minister himself as well as Kangana Ranaut, are facing off against the Congress. All 4 seats in Himachal Pradesh will be going to polls. Meanwhile, Anurag Thakur has hit out at the state government in Himachal Pradesh. He stated that Modi government under the Modi government, several new projects have been inaugurated and the Himachal government is unable to continue those, but they're launching new projects. He's meanwhile called for the country needing stability and continuity. My colleague Mehendi Garg joins on the broadcast. Mehendi, over to you. Take our viewers through the fresh attack launched by Anurag Thakur against the Sukhwinder Sukkhu-led government in Himachal.
Well, yes, Priya, among these Lok Sabha elections, the war of words continues between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the India Alliance. And among all these things, Anurag Thakur has taken a jibe over the topic of development, over the topic of aims developing in the Himachal Pradesh. And he has attacked the Sukkhu government, saying that they have not been able to construct or develop the aims in the state as of now, and comparing this situation with the BJP government. Then he has specifically mentioned that under BJP's government, the aims has been constructed, and he specifically mentioned the corona time, the COVID period, that among the outbreak of when there was an outbreak of COVID also, but then also BJP government was able to make aims in the state and also give the provided requirements to the state's people and the population of the Himachal Pradesh. But taking a jibe at the government, the Sukkhu government, Anurag Thakur has attacked and said that no development has been done under this government. And what kind of government this is if they cannot do the needful for the people of Himachal Pradesh, and they cannot do the development things, and new projects cannot be done under this government. And if compared to Bharatiya Janata Party, then BJP is working for the people of Himachal Pradesh, and they have done various developments in the area, and also various new schemes and new projects will be and have been developed by their government.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.